I'm going to teach you the 3 things that you must focus on if you want to become a profitable trader. You need all 3. If you only have 2 and you don't have the other one, you're not going to become profitable. So lock in, you need these 3. Number 1, you need to have the technical mastery. You need to know what you're looking at on the charts. You need to have strategies. You need to understand how to read price action, how to read support and resistance, how to read order flow. You need to have a really good understanding of the technicals to make money in the first place. The second thing that you need is a really good trading psychology. You need to be aware of your emotions and you need to learn how to control those emotions. A lot of what trading is purely mindset. And if you don't have the right mindset, it doesn't matter how good your technicals are. It doesn't matter how good your win rate is. You're not going to make money. Now, I would say the third one is arguably just as important as the other 2, if not more important. And it is the glue that holds your technical mastery, right? Your price action and your mindset together. And that is confidence, because you could be really good at reading charts and having good strategies. You could have your psychology at a really good spot, but if you don't have confidence, you're going to just hesitate. You're going to second guess yourself and you're not going to trade with conviction. You need to have all 3. And right now you need to figure out what are you lacking in your trading and then figure out a way to fix it. And make sure you follow this account as well, because I will help you figure out what you're lacking.